As someone in their 30s, it is important to have a good understanding about investing. I attended the seminar at Cole Financial to expand my knowledge in this area. I plan to discuss my investment journey in upcoming vlogs, but I'd like to share some key insights I gained from the seminar.
Anong lesson ang matututunan natin dito? If you notice, every time tumaas ang interest rate at pumasok ang recession, mas mabilis pa yung pagbagsak. So they're saying that the interest rate cut will start this September. How about the Israel-Hamas war? Huwag nyo nang problemahin yan. Wala na yan. Patapos na yan. Russia-Ukraine war? Wala na rin yan. In fact, nobody's even minding them anymore, right? Yung US-Russia, yung US-China rivalry, that will continue. But do not expect na isang araw mapapaputugan na lang sila ng missile. That will not happen. Okay? That will not happen. Okay? What will happen? There will be a war, but it will be a trade war. So the way China will, what China will use is not traditional weapon, it's economic weapon. Okay, so doon sila maglalaban. You cannot ignore not having China as part of your portfolio.
Tama.
Kung wala ka pang China exposure, I highly encourage you to start adding already. You cannot ignore China. China is the second largest economy in the world. It will, but eventually before 2050, it will be the largest. China will look like a Japan by 2040. Probably even earlier at the pace that they're doing. If I told you earlier na yung US kaya umakyat just because of 7 companies. You know what's the common denominator of the 7 companies? They're all AI related. And you see, in the world of AI, hindi mo kailangan ng matalino. Kaya kami AI, di ba? Ano ang pinaka number 1 ingredient para makagawa ka ng AI? Very good. It's data. That's the reason why Amazon, Apple, Facebook, di ba? What do they all have in common? Data. Other than these companies, di ba? Which is all based in the US. Sino lamang may data?
China.
The reason why we like it is because we look already at different things. How it is managed, what is the portfolio, where it is invested, what are the fees. I think the more important one is the fees. And these funds, these 2 funds, will be the one that will most benefit when rates drop. It is an exposure in dollars, 50%, kasi it's foreign, di ba? So, even if there's an appreciation maybe near term, we know naman structurally the Philippine peso is weak, so you also benefit from the weak exchange rate. Parang you're buying dollars from your pesos.
Wow.
This is the only fund in the country where you can buy China in pesos.
Ooh.
They have investment in Tencent, Alibaba, AIA, etc. Best performing, manual income builder bond fund, that's your local fund that is also doing very well. For steady income growth, for monthly income that you get, the Manulife Global Multi-Asset Diversified Income is give you about 6% net. Now, for the long-term growth is the Sun Life World Equity Fund. And for tactical positioning, you have technology funds, you have China, which is the Dragon Fund, and of course for the local equity.
Oh, ang dami ng tao.
After the seminar, we went to the Metropolitan Theater to watch the K-Drama Orchestra concert, celebrating the 75th year of diplomatic relations between Korea and the Philippines.
magkaroon ng mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari, mangyaring tumuhin ang Hashtag met natin to. Sa ilang saglit ay magsisimula ang ating palabas. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikipagtulungan sa layuning panadalihing ligtas ang isa't isa. Maligayang pagdating sa Tanghalang Metropolitan. Stephanie and Miss Julie Ann San Jose, who graced us with their magnificent performances. We cannot forget our special guest singer who showcased his charismatic voice. Let us welcome again, Rahul. And last but not the least, a big round of applause for the Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra. Once again, thank you everyone for joining OST Symphony, K-Drama in Concert.
The following day, we headed to Clark, Pampanga for an anime event and to pick up the toy collections I had purchased. This forms a part of my investment and I plan to discuss it further in my upcoming vlogs.
Grabe, ganda. Kita mo yan? Nakabuo na to. Kaso tignan mo try mo. Buksan, boss.
Wow! Nabuksan mo na to? Nakita mo yung tsura niya?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Ay, no, take this card.
Grabe!
Napaka-solid yan, boss. Grabe naman. Oh, bungulog, boss.
Baby Jerry ko talaga eh, no? Ang size nung, 30th anniversary.
Binili mo sa akin.
Ah, yun din, 30th anniversary siya. 30th anniversary.
Alayin talaga.
Gando. As yung kapatid niya. Yun.
Sabit mo siya dyan, sir. Sabit mo dyan, sir.
Ganda, cute. Grabe.
Grabe, di ba?
Ito na siya. Uy! Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Kasi hindi ko naman i-offer sa'yo pag hindi panalo talaga.
Ano nga? Grabe. Grabe yung dito.
Grabe, no?
Bigat eh, no?
Oo. Bakal yan, bakal yun. Bakal yun. Oo. Metal Gear yan.
Tapos, grabe. Lumuluhod. Uy! Kamay na. Send ko na sa isa, ano? Send ko na sa yung video.